Got a blog, article, or landing page? We'll show you how to turn it into a video instantly using Link to Video. With the URL to video feature, you can convert any URL into a fully edited video using AI. Start from the homepage and click Link to Video. Paste your web page link, blog, article, or product page. Choose your video type like marketing, explainer, or tutorial. Select your platform and preferred video length. Click Generate Script and let AI extract your content. Edit your script or use AI to optimize, shorten, or rephrase. Click Generate Video to turn your script into scenes. Pictory will automatically create scenes for your video. Each scene is paired with relevant visuals and captions. Edit text, visuals, and timing for each scene. Add music, voiceovers, AI avatars, and branding to enhance your video. Use the timeline to adjust scene order and pacing. Preview your video and make final adjustments.